Want to know how to get M ASCP certificate fast? I'll walk you step by step through exactly what works and reveal a common myth that blocks lab pros every year. In this guide, you'll learn how to get M ASCP certificate quickly and correctly. We're MLC Academy, built for lab professionals chasing ASCP success. Let's jump in. First, check the official ASCP Board of Certification for your category and eligibility route. Only apply if you meet every requirement for education, training, and experience. Pick your exam category carefully. Once you submit, you can't change it. Don't fall for shortcuts or unofficial eligibility tools. Use only the official ASCP Eligibility Assistant. Prepare all documents before you submit anything. Pay the application fee and upload documents when you apply. Once approved, you'll get an exam date. Big mistake: guessing eligibility or skipping documentation. This delays everything. Another myth: you don't need outside review. But eligibility is determined only by official ASCP evaluators. Thousands of lab pros have passed using our expert-led prep, live classes, video lessons, study guides, and Q-Banks at MLC Academy. To recap, check ASCP eligibility, pick your exam route, prepare documents, pay your fee, sit the exam. That's how to get M ASCP certificate with no wasted time. Explore the MLC Prep platform for everything you need. Next up, how to become M ASCP technologist in microbiology. Subscribe or check the channel for that breakdown.